I was concerning the fight against Galamsey. Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones. Obe expose NDC government big time concerning omu gold board na omu aform na. In fact, any people how I head out bomudin a fire womu. Captain Smart, Kalije, Lydia Forsen, DKB Ghana, Felix Kwakye, Chese Belamundi, Obi Biara or Kasafa Galamsey and the MPP government. Aye why dini there. In fact, Okatakyie Afrifa mensa so a fire womu papa. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mesro say any demo. Over like if video no other woman. Over subscribe button, na click the notification and connect latest update. Na ba chere wadwe da mama e wo comment. Mesro so ba so a. No a share video mo nua so enya bi ahwe. Enti the fight against Galamsey, I said the cocaine, the Colombia Funya. Enya easy. I'm a Ghana, the fight against Galamsey, instead of us to come together and fight it, we politicize this fight. I remember the time MPP government was in power, and before you see Galamsey as the weak point of MPP to lambast the party and to make the party unpopular to Ghanaians. Even Felix Kwakye ene or yet presidential, spokesperson. Ebeka say MPP government, Galamsey government, or make this post on Twitter in 2023. Eka say MPP government, Galamsey government. Sam George Eka say nipa kura Ghana for eto abama no ye president mampanyin no. O wotumi so betimti na awotwe baako 7 days as topic Galamsey. If say ono na soldiers for no police for nyina ehye na se. Sammy Gyamfi kojina enso bebe Galamsey ase enso ekoye press conference ewo ho as if say odo man no. Okude to black am never find for North Town constituency. Eso ekosisa enso bi a asese ebeye demonstration etiaban as if say odo man Ghana. Kalije mudi bebi egugu Twitter so. Etwetwe bebelebe for MPP government so far as Galamsey eye concern. That we say to be we ya end this error na kenyina we expecting say anka kwanya Sam George efa so ka say president ewo tumi so de na awotwepe stop Galamsey de naka we are all counting on NDC government to stop Galamsey within a month, not even a week, but within a month. But interestingly, Oman Formi Gold Board, our gold board, say they will buy the gold from the small scale miners. Ghana ha, you can't small scale miners be a Galamsey once a year, and you could see illegal miners. What I say, and you could see illegal miners. And a free for who you know see there be. At the end is for you, and that's the one for Omu, your margin number to Galamsey, and tell them, fire kakra. In fact, every father fire NDC for us expose and you gold board and send na Captain Smart. DKB Ghana, Kalije Munyina ne Felix Kwakye nyina yehiem. Wa ke kana dwa chiro mu papa.
Yenya adwuma. Kobi yanante quick. 28th, 29th, 30th. It is a walk of freedom. Galamsey must fall. Ghana deserves better. Our people must stand up for what is right. This is not about MPP. It's not about NDC. I have demonstrated it. Opemasemu, Ompemasemu, Opekatichiasemu, the way you feel. Nasanti semu ye were healed, and you were healed. Maybe I do know. Sensuone say ya, esegu ye nyine triso. And what an in the war, Kofi nyine bewu, General nyine bewu. So yenya Jimmy Kakra. Yenya see a Galamsey MPP this. And I've demonstrated it. A Kufado pencil. Any demonstration be a man against the Kufado. It been a motion. It been a minika tuatia mohe. Nanya metusala na ye president. Na ye Kufado. Na ye Miami government. So my conscience is clear when it comes to Galamsey. So 28th, 29th, 30th. See the year John Mahama. It is not about John Mahama. It's not about NDC. Never. If Sir John Mahama the Kasa Kufado nuclear state of emergency. Kobi, ye ko occupy Flagstaff House. Ye bu say John Mahama so yamra do saying and they declare state of emergency. But say be now be hunu the effect of Galamsey. Edani, shall see fa nsuo ni bi kire wo mo. Man for say sebi dey na ha ya adwene Kobi, ade we be kunyen. Deformities. Kobi, is any MPP and this system? Galamsey is not MPP and this system. Why are we being so stupid? Forgive me for using this word, but I don't know why are we playing politics with Galamsey? Why? Look at the amount here, and will be a wood that Galamsey pit more than ever. Kobi, and yes, we Yankee. Look at this. Ensure Kolanu. Where is Kolanu? Akosia. MP Biba Numbi, Minister Biba Numbi, your mama baby and will be chanum self. For the baby and will be chanum self as we are dividing on the front of MPP and this.
More fire.
When you don't know the realities of life, me shall say some journalism. And you must say they moving me different. Now come a man for noir, General, come a man for noir. She said any panel war because of Galamsey, any panel. Enipa na uno enipa na ugo agosua enso still in Kenya man for you cause ya chemu mienu ya MPP ye it meant this me ye ewradi nyame na se na MPP ye na na mpese mu ye the same thing and ya mopa mu MPP ni ye dai
se bio so mo
obi bani o dani gina he ya dia Galamsey timi ye ni o akola won kan so nya bone won ye obi abone ni abo na kurase deformity because of a year the mercury when nyoma ye de Galamsey no and ye nyina ete ho ahemfo te ho asofo te ho eti ye busa ahemfo no mo conscience ni my goodness Tim for no amode mu nsase ne mu nsuo no ama manfo se ntu Galamsey eti mu nana no mu jimi se ye ntika mba benya ahini ani bia ni ada na mo ye say ada na mo ni conscience obi ada ade be no asase a wote suo nti na aye hene asase ni wo a woni ho manfo na so wase nti na aye hene manfo ni nyina yare se no mu wantu hene wadwene da tim nti eye papa ni politicians are very immoral. Money conscience. It is about money. It is about power. Nothing more, nothing less. But the moral conscience of our society, the chiefs, the pastors, and now so for na yedin. And so when you know to Galamsey anymore, Oman no more Kasanovi. Not because they saw anything wrong with Galamsey, but it was because the Kufa don't call for an air. Because MPP are buying an air. And the bedroom her, Galamsey na tiati see. It is getting worse. It muhu mranchen mabawa, muhu kola we entiye mobo. And the no amu yen ripple effect. Adam ye behave say illegal mining. You buy a see aquatic gold board, and you buy a see any China guy association. Coffee. This is a serious matter. We must all speak against it. And then you can for pictures in the picture. For pictures in black. For picture. Adai. Akosia. Adai.
Very worried.
Eti o mind no kofi yentime nnu ba bia both MPP and NDC ye be decide say these parameters we there wo ye MPP ni a enye wo ye NDC ni a enye metwa kwan na to ma anya kataso mo asoma ba ma by any time Galamsey me no mo kwen and nothing ye lusu kura ye lusu ampa so Galamsey ti ye lusu yi and for me one them for me what me regretting and then regretting it. It's conscience in mutim kakra. It's 28th, 29th. Akwala when you be aboni o. Hwede ne nan ni ho. Ne nan ni ho. Because of ye nyoma ye. Yes, ye nya MPP and this. Anka wo dan. It was a quiet tene. Na se wo bani no da ho yi. And the ripple effect of Galamsey wo wo no what say ya. Ebia ka bobefu more fire enyanka wodan you and sometimes you think say we chiri obi you think say we chiri o ebeto then if for pictures in the more show them pictures go ahead and show them the ripple effect of Galamsey asofo ayedin malam sa ayedin nkramofo ayedin asofo hayimfo ayedin Bia mwana no Christian Council you two abawie in all of a sudden yanko ni yanko hwe ensem a okuje to ablakwa Felix Kwakye and ani me ye now the two mamamfo no mamamfo dey hwe dey o kan Me catch them. Say nye de na ekoso na na ye omotan. Awozia. De na ekoso no. Enye omotan. Omuli conscience 111 say. Me no me no na call board here. Ye fira senkrego aba. Kofi me no ne call board here. Ye gina board here junction NDC chairman catch there say. Galamsey no de mutu obama ye ne ba. Ye betu ankasa. No bi obeka me ye ne be kontokwa. Ena me o kasa yi. Western regional Western North regional minister. Mo musa ne say de ntinu mama manfo na kohye kwamu o. Empomu o mutu. Na manfo no adi nkoma so ya gigisika akoma no. Sa no mo ka. Me boade onko pam mo. Asemo ani dance no abi ni twan dance. Omo ye no mo send mam so wagigi 150,000. Sa no mo ka. Galamsey fo ne nkomo mudi. It is wonye sika dia. Enye de ehia no so obetata me. Woni me kokko to enkosi hwe. Kokko pam mo. Wadwuma no no. Western North regional minister. Obi excavators burube 700 ana omudi akoshe Western North asa me no ka say e good forest ni nyina wu your mama ka kire say LI 2462 e ku for the say wa pass see e betimi awura eye forest reserve o ka kire manfo no say oba be ye president ya obe repeal it they ka say repeal of law obi repeal of law no say you free on fire. For it to be said, it never even happened. When the court ordered for a repeal of law, you took it as though it never even happened. Your mama buy, you know, and I'm sure you're gold board. No China Galamsey for you a yinti. Also was in the interior minister. Emma Kanchera is want to be prosecuted China for you. For picture not so no more any name. Okuja tabla kwa jana you cause essential. As a coach. I defia mapo. Miana menuana no. As a same coach. Adi nshuo kire eti muni conscience kakra ti mo ba ya mo amkrofo guma ye nsuo si eti okuje to odwina woda na ni bot mi twa ntosa as edan yo timo eye na yene na ebrante na de ba boy why don't no conscience no moral turpitude they don't have it Sammy Gyamfi okujina nsuo ho koye press conference Kobi say yam nsuo na say and then the gold board na wa ye no e fa no mkoto gold na fi enye Galamsey it we ni pa boni won trim we anu wasini wasi wo wanwi no man no ka pre Kobi e wude sam ankasa e wo mu trim yes level maybe side way e wude sam fo mpa and this is so wude sam Sammy Gyamfi ka okuja trouble akwa Felix Kwakye and no say day I say Galamsey fight no Sammy Gyamfi akotena kodom I need to koto sanken kan so bode more fire what money conscience oba ye de hia pa ye good board ah de koto Galamsey good ana nim se Galamsey ni yammanfo ne ntoaso ntudia ene ne yapa mo akufa do yere Felix Kwakye timi kotworo to ne Twitter say Galamsey government and I say Galamsey fight you can't set deadlines it is a lifelong battle Felix Kwakye eni pa otwatro omonani Felix Kwakye otwatro omonani yentie de okan ye say prior to the you know yentie
problem that we have and the reason why it has escalated to this scale is that there are greedy, corrupt, money-loving people in the ruling government and ruling party that have gotten involved in this activity, and because of their complicity they are unable to take the actions that would ensure that we effectively win the battle against illegal mining. Because in your inserts, the inserts that you've played, the reports that your journalists have found, we have heard the involvement of general secretaries, women organizers, regional chairmen, city mayors, MCs, DCs, parliamentary candidates, presidential staffers, all belonging to this ruling party involved in this activity.
Okay, so Obi, Felix Kwakye asemo kan yi ni. Edani kode waka ne nre yin so ye besa ba ne abetie no. Now, but the argument is that MPP for and a shame with them. Me, I'm in your Kwame plus who can't say who will be. Kwame and to some cotton radio Zokai, Nyansa be panico. Me and a miniano, Nyansa Benu. Say any MPP for and now Omunsa Joma Babano. Your mama, a you want Cheromo Cosse, I was saying, and there's some previous Manus Suminaso, your mama Fachame, and then Kwabani a very useless government.
More fire.
So one our leadership. Now MPP for to me come wurem. Eko say forest, ko sensu. But who are government intimate woman and prosecute woman. You have no business becoming a leader of the nation. It mean you plus some can you say me
More fire.
very useless. Kofi, man for you, Felix Kwakye, and I was say Galamsey fight is a lifelong day. No him sir. No him say Galamsey fight no. E ko for intimate fight and yet of from Galamsey government. Why you not make market for no? Say any cocaine government. Nam so the munya I know. They don't have any. Now I have the moral turpitude to speak on matters like this because under my government, I never at any point supported nonsense like this. And the records are there. I am fighting for the nation. So be so mon trouble akokura maka o ntimi nyini obi enye nipa na adwene ni sem ya bodam a aka ebesi ne mutimi nya me audio enya video a maka setie Dr. Mahama Baumia aka setie Kufuado e de bo ne mo me kan bi kire mo abadwo mama man no say oh we hypocrite because enra wo kan say eti na wo kan say kire dwo mama no adwene ye adwuma edi se me kan bi kire Kufuado abai na onya bi bo na me kan bi kire Dr. Mahama Baumia onya bi bo na me kan bi akire for your mama who what's me correct? Oh, you're correct. Why do you? It means I am principled. Precisely. I'm a very principled human being. And trying to model semi. Nakadechie, who chantro, na diaben. Oh, we saw one trouble. I couldn't show metro. One single. Almost any election, no. And of course, I buy say, Adenta is blue. Adenta is one white. In 2020 election, Munya whole NDC, led by my general secretary Nase, Ebeka so mo win election. Omo win. And the Munya party no. So party phone. So on that grounds you can't trust Okatakyie dia. And the mo party near party phone. If it's a 2020 omo ye whole press conference, Eka so mo win. No more winning. They say when it comes to fighting for our nation, go be a toda nana energy no aba form because man for no adwene wu but the news one details 28 29th go be afa yenko he celebrities Kalije no wo yi
Kali kasa
okay Danny we hwan ya ajete anan Danny Ajete Anai, Pusha Kebi. I say I support calls for end of Galamsey. Pusha, what a room. And say, not in what one to me. Obi, and show Nugusu say, Galamsey Nugusu say, Ajete Anai, and what one to me. General, Nyanka Kalije, dear General. Update on fight against Galamsey. Youth of Achim assume storm and close down 10 Galamsey site. Utah government now you tag a phone away. And now you tag the no do money Professor Gyamfi. And what the whole year buguni more. O cruzy. Professor Gyamfi organize labor. Ghana Medical Association. Ghana Medical Association. Muye ni pabone. If someone a motel medical hospital, abungunu yaria Galamsey deba. By now you should be up in arms. Akufado tsumokai. Muye ni pabone ankasa. Mochira yaria. Oka kam so na it's too early. Nipe yare. Osi too early. Obi Kalije wo yi. Brabe can be. Why? The insurance still like you go shoot. And ye Kalije yani 38 forest reserves are no more due to Galamsey. Kalije said the question ne hu chen ye na question de Kufuado. I'm telling you. Kalije there is why no one update you. No sense you. No the go. Mimi Kalije you so very popular wo. Twitter. Say me Twitter. Kalije the boy bekabi. Why? Namunya hypocrisy. I have a moral right. Say me kan Galamsey in some ha. If some buy me can be papa. Me chibi na ayi friend akwai say ayi gabe ayi chamaluta me kwa ye chamaluta so bebra me menye ka kire mu ewi a kire krom say Galamsey ne me kwa Catholic bishop the Catholic church is set to protest wo mu wai Catholic church no mu wai ka so kono wai mo me kan no kurai Akwaya Joma Menti. Afobia Yedi. Insurance Guswana say. When you want Belamundi. Belamundi said that the Pra River recorded just 2 minutes ago. Sister Bella, Pra River no. Agree. Belamundi, we call on you. Mama Bekami. The Pra River just 2 minutes ago. Bella, do you have any idea what the Pra River looks like today? Do you have any idea? And all of you are quiet. Bella. Principled. Kafui day. No ma update. No ma Galamsey right behind Kwame Nkrumah's birth palace in Nkrofo. Kafui day Nkrofo still now way Kafui day way. Oh. They said that your Mahama Benji. All of a sudden they've lost their voice. So any anti. You see your Jai Galamsey. Nyabraba. And this way they just were in your bro. And then your bro party no aba. Ninua your bro. So I don't know the Tokaba. Medoku the Tokaba. Dominina the Tokaba. Yes, sir. Okay. Now we are National Catholic Secretariat. No more the buy here. Say Kufado Pensu Galamsey yet. Omuway. Galamsey Gusugo. 28, 29, 30th. We'll be a coming I'll go for demonstration. Fire. I come a quarter don't come and demonstration. Fire. Because of principle. Precisely. Nobody should tell me say it's too early. It's too early. Kofi near where am I going I said diba. Honestly why also can be. Mama can be. Why? A twin try. Where am I? A fear nocturna. Physio. You're on the boss, are you? If you're not tenor, me perhaps a movement in your dead. Obi? Then you might do. Physio, easier, and yes, sir. Hey, you want to say, why? Auntie, what is school? Our school. If one else in a Kamia they say why Galamsey no, but I can understand her what bread. And the minute in common swap bread or Kumagana phone in Gusiri. You have financial people in Beshan this. If one else on principle, but if all whatever and Shoni Gusu say we cannot sleep. It's Munina Mumra Mekasa. Why? Munina, where why DKB? DKB any tirika krakasa champagne. DKB, we tirika krakasa champagne and the Hurushu. It is Shoni Gusu say no way. We tirikoto sa champagne. What it? A child of comedies. He said, Woman Count Galamsey is a good father to Suntia. Munina Muyini Papone. You lack conscience. DKB, list of one man, sir. We saw a angel. What you know, Jai sports we can be, and then one more candy. List of one man, sir. Well, candy, one cannot correct. No, mine won't turn. Miss Forcing, Lydia Forcing, Lydia Forcing, until Lydia Mai, until Lydia Bacho, you shouldn't go so say. You should be more have a conscience. Speak on it. Exactly. Me and Kano Kurenchire away. Obi, me and Kano Kurenchire away. Nyansapone waya. Way. I don't have friends Nyansapo. I Sadiq Arabs. Me and Minuano. Sadiq Kwadams were ya dear Kakra. Ogusoka and animals were there. Tag for no assembly. Sell their Galamsey. So Sadiq is fighting. Sadiq, your morning show angel. I am Mukotino. Why? Me sorry who on the buyer. Ya Mukotino. Why? Ogusofaya. It's good. Meme sorry mo enje so bi nyama ni go. Anopa no Mukoko tie Sadiq Arabs. E wo angel. Nyama free won tini ase na show ni mu. Esa kra na mabre. Ba bia mekwa koye show bia me free wa na egu. Na Sadiq apagya mu mo nkora mkotie. TV3 for update na wai. TV3 money pabone. Yabatwaba regime changes. Mo shada show jesse. Ko just smart. TV3 nuane onua. Ko just smart. Why any tree say ayi. Satellite dish. Who said you know, and many updates we need time for the same na yakano. Ko just smart. TV3. It said the Galamsey ni eje tuana. Enso na ni atete. I see Galamsey activities having a detrimental influence on health since locals are forced to mix chemicals in contaminated water in order to obtain clean drinking water. Activity still, I said, contaminated. He said, the Ajay is winning in any ati. Kosu, Danny Konya in your room. Let's have conscience. Let's be moved by conscience. People are dying. Galamsey is let us 28, 29, 30th. Kobi. And they quite the Abatum say China for ye 2 my annual motion. I said your mom won't be more. I told you guys.
It's very similar. Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa Bones. I said this weekend is going to be a very long week because Captain Smart I will have a fire nibi. DKB Ghana will have a fire nibi. Kalige Jai Jimmy Kalije Jai Jimmy no will have a fire nibi. I just say Lydia forces minimize Lydia forcing. I was about a fire. Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa be. This weekend it is going to be a very long week. Sammy Gyamfi, what is your view and what is your take on that? Chiraj Mami, our comment section. I Penyah Media.